In this video, you are going to learn the best way to upload videos to YouTube and the key settings that will help you to get more views and more subscribers. Before you can even think of uploading videos to YouTube, you must have your video ready, your thumbnail should be ready as well. Make sure you have your title, your tags and relevant links ready. Another pro tips is to make sure that you rename your video and thumbnail with the same thing as your title. It helps in terms of YouTube SEO. As you can see here, I have my title ready, I have my description, the timestamp, hashtag. I also have the link to related videos. So I have my disclaimer here and my tags are ready as well. As you can see here, I've renamed the video with the same thing as my title. Also, based on the thumbnail also has been renamed with the same thing as the title of my video. So this helps you in terms of SEO. With all this being said, let's start the uploading process. Now you have to click on this icon in order to upload your video. Then click on upload video. Then click on select files so that you can select your file from the location where you save it. So your own location might be different from mine. It all depends on where you save it. So I have it saved under video. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to click on open. As you can see, the upload has begun. So it has been uploaded. So I'll come to this section and copy the title here. Then I'm going to paste it here again. After that, so I'm going to copy the description as well. So come back to this section. So I have the description here. So I'm going to copy everything, including the timestamp and the disclaimer. So I'm going to copy everything except the tag. So when we get to that section where we are going to add the tag, I'm going to copy it, but it's not yet time. So let's go back. So I'm going to paste all of this here under description. So you can format it based on your personal preference. So you can check and make sure everything is properly formatted. So everything is looking good currently. After that, I'm going to upload thumbnail. This is the section where you can upload your thumbnail. So click on upload file. I'm going to click on it and upload it. As you can see, the thumbnail has been uploaded. So I'm also going to check the playlist. So I'm going to add it under YouTube growth. So if you don't have any playlist before, you can click here to add a new playlist. I have the playlist that I wanted to add it to, so I don't have to create another playlist again. So I'm going to also add this under how to and tips. So these two playlists are okay for me. So I'm going to click on done. So here you have to make sure you leave it at this second option, which is no, it is not made for kids, except you are making a video for kids channel. Otherwise, you have to leave this one turned on. So after that, I'm going to click on show more. So I'm going to scroll down. So under this section, you have to check either yes or no, depending on maybe you are using AI to create your content or not. But I don't use AI, so I'm going to click on no. So all this one should be leave as it is. So this is where I'm going to add the tag right now. So I'll go back to this section where I'm going to copy the tags. So I have the tags ready here. So I'm going to copy the tag. Ctrl C in order to copy. Then I'm going to come to this section, then I'll paste it here. Ctrl V in order to paste. As you can see, this tag has exceeded the character limit of 500. It shouldn't be more than 500. So I'm going to remove the last one here. So in order to make it fit, so it is between the character right now. Now I've removed this one. As you can see, the character is between 475. So this is okay. So you have to scroll down. Then you have to check the recording date. So click on the current date that you are uploading your video. So I'm going to leave it as it is because it is under how to and style. That is the category of my video. So I'm going to leave it at top. Sort by top is okay. So after that, come to this section, which is video elements. So if you have your subtitle ready, you can add it here. Otherwise, you can add an end screen. So is either you import an end screen from video or you add a new one. So let me show you how to add a new one. By the way, if you wanted to learn how to add an end screen to your YouTube video, you can also watch this video that is showing up on the screen right now. So click on add. So basically, let me show you how you can add it afresh. So I'm going to click on video, then after that I'm still going to click on elements and click on playlist. So I want playlist and video to show as my end screen. So I'm going to check this one as well. So after that I'm going to add one subscribe button here so that they can subscribe to my channel from this section. So I have it here. So feel free to customize it the way you like, but I like the way everything is. So this one is going to show most recent upload, this one is going to show the playlist, while this one is going to show the subscribe button. This goes a long way by helping my channel to grow, as they are going to watch more of my video content. So I'm going to adjust the length of the end screen. So I'm going to adjust it to around this section. So you can simply drag to arrange it up to the point where you want it to get started. So I want the end screen to start around this section. So I'm going to leave it at this point. So after you are done customizing your YouTube end screen, so you are going to click on save. So then after that you are going to add card. So to add the card, click on add. So the card that I wanted to add, basically I want to add the card around this section from 4 minutes when my video is around 4 minutes. So I'm going to click on video. So the video that I wanted to add, I'm going to select it here. So I'm going to add the video that I wanted to use. So I'm still going to come to this section under 6 minutes. So you can customize it based on your personal preference, but I want it to be in between this time range. So I'm still going to add another card. So I'm going to add this particular video as the second video. So you can add up to 3 if you like, but for this video I'm going to leave it at 2. So after you are done, click on save. As you can see, the video is still uploading, so you have to wait for the processing to be complete. Now let's go to this section. After we are done with this, then go to the next section, click on checks. So it's going to check your video if it contains any copyright or not, so that you can adjust it before you upload it. Then I'm going to click on visibility. So this is where you can set your video to private, unlisted or public. That is, if you don't want anybody to see it, you are going to leave it at private. But I believe you don't want to do that because you want your video to be visible to the public and go viral on YouTube. So you have to leave your video at public. So before we can publish the video, the processing should be completed. So let's wait for it to complete. After it is done, then we can now click on the publish button here. So the processing is complete and it is done checking. No issues found for copyright. So this means we can now publish the video. So click on publish, then your video will be live. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with friends or someone you know is struggling to know how to upload videos to YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.